started seeing the smoke move into our high part of our skies, the high altitude stuff, on Monday, and it started to make its way down to the surface yesterday, and today it's been here as well, and it may be worse. It looks like it will be worse tomorrow, as the Weather Service is now going to issue a code red for tomorrow. I can't remember the last time we had something like that here in Central Virginia. Let me show you what we've got though outside at the moment. A lot of clouds, some smoke continues to make its way from northwest to southeast across the area. These are clouds here. Smoke is coming in. You can see it through parts of Pennsylvania. There's a good bit of it across Virginia as well, but it's kind of hidden by the clouds. All right, here's what happens tomorrow. More smoke comes in. It'll be thicker tomorrow, and then on Friday, another round of thicker smoke as well. So we have a code orange right now. Will only affect sensitive groups. It affects all of us tomorrow, though. You want to limit your time outdoors. We have a